Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur a video in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with editing our videos. So we can go ahead and either drag and drop our videos directly from our folders or just go to the file option right here and then click import and add the media we want to use. So after adding our videos, as you can see, they're going to appear right here, and now we can get started with dragging them to our timeline for editing, as I have already done right here. So let's go ahead and see how to blur a video. It's very easy guys. What we want to do is first go ahead and select the video you want to blur right here from the timeline, and after selecting it, now we can go into the edit option right here. So click on edit guys, and after clicking on edit, this is now going to open up this new edit page where you can get started with adding effects. And here is the effects option in the upper left corner that's going to enable us to open up the effects menu. And guys, if you click on the effects menu and go into the search bar right here, we can search for blur. So as you can see guys, after searching for blur, we can now see all the effects that we have for blurring our video. We have the box blur, we have the directional blur, and so on. Anything you might want to use is right here, so you can go ahead and test them out and start adding them to your videos. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.